So at IFSEC, we are at Fortune stall, and you can see that Tenda has been participating here. The products, lot of variety of products, यानी हर vertical को target करने के लिए Tenda ने यहाँ पे अपना boost setup किया है. Fortune के साथ मिलके हमारे साथ मनीष सर हैं और साथ में उनके कुलीग हैं ऋषभ हैं, जिनसे बात करेंगे एक्सक्लूसिव टेंडा की स्टॉल पे आके कि हाउ हैज बीन द रिस्पांस फार. आज तो पहला दिन ही है, बट फिर भी लेट्स नो हाउ इज द रिस्पांस सो फार. सर, कैन यू शेयर समथिंग अबाउट
So we are very excited about this participation, and Tenda is participating in this fair in such a big way for the first time. And here I would like to add that complete range of Tenda products are being now manufactured in India in our facility at Noida, which we had set up couple of years back.
This is a proud moment.
Yeah, it's a very proud moment for us. And with the government of India's Make in India initiative and PLI scheme participation, we are very excited, and we are very, very hopeful that this association and this brand will go a long way.
Great. So, though today's day one, but I can see a lot of partners are visiting here, the customers are visiting here. तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको इस तरह का जो आपने ट्रैक्शन बिल्ड किया, इतना बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट किया? हाउ डू यू सी दिस?
जी बिल्कुल, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. As you can see, the turnout here has been very, very good.
Right.
As Manish ji mentioned, all our products here are being manufactured in India, and we're trying to showcase the latest technology that the brand Tenda has.
Correct.
We're also coming out with a couple of new lines, so we're going to get into passive products,
Okay.
something that aligns with Tenda.
Okay.
So, the partners are excited to see everything. So,
Right, I can see the excitement among the partners. मेरे को आने में थोड़ा टाइम लग गया, आप लोगों को दूर से मैंने देखा था तो. But anyway, this is the purpose, why you have invested here to, engage with the customers and partners. Sir, I'll just ask, because, we are just about to conclude 2025. 2026 आने वाला है. I'm sure कि 2025 में बहुत कुछ हुआ है फॉर्च्यून में. कुछ शेयर करेंगे? What were the milestones?
Yeah, so in last couple of years, needless to say that we had invested very heavily into manufacturing capabilities, and we had consolidated our operations, and we have been focusing and investing very heavily into R&D for development of surveillance product as well as networking product, and we are expanding our manufacturing capacity further. So most part of our revenue in coming years we expect to generate out of manufacturing only, with Make in India initiative by Government of India. Very, very excited.
Great. And so anything about 2026 plans? Can you reveal something what is going to happen in next year?
2026, we will continue to focus on our manufacturing capability, and we want to enhance, and there are a couple of more bigger manufacturing initiatives we are going to take, so which we're going to share with you in due course.
So as a media, we'll be waiting for those announcements, and we'll be sharing with our partners. Tell me something about, you have been young, leader. I see you're very young. So how do you see, what will be your message for the partners or the customers who are doing business with you in 2026? Where you want to see them?
So as our expectation with the newer generation is coming in, I would just like to put my focus on the newer technologies that Tenda can bring in to the product range.
Okay, that's very small answer, but it has a very impact. It has a great impact because for the technology, important is to bring the innovation which you can provide to the Indian customer. So thank you so much, sir. It's a quick and great having a great chat with you. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Thank you.